Imagine a world where robots are everywhere. Picture a bustling city where robots seamlessly blend into the fabric of daily life, assisting people in countless ways. They help us with chores, making our lives easier and more efficient. From vacuuming our floors to folding our laundry, these robots take on the mundane tasks, giving us more time to focus on what truly matters. They assist us at work, enhancing productivity and precision. In offices, they manage data and perform repetitive tasks, while in factories, they work alongside humans, ensuring safety and efficiency in production. They even become our friends, offering companionship and emotional support. Imagine a robot that can play with your child or a robotic pet that provides comfort and joy to the elderly. This is not science fiction, this is the future of robotics. A future where robots are an integral part of our daily routines, seamlessly integrated into our homes and cities. Robots are no longer just a futuristic fantasy, they are rapidly becoming a part of our daily lives. In kitchens, they prepare meals with precision, and as receptionists, they greet and assist visitors with a friendly demeanor. From cleaning our homes to assisting in complex surgeries, robots are changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. In hospitals, robotic surgeons perform delicate procedures with unmatched accuracy, while at home, robots ensure our living spaces are spotless. As technology advances, robots are becoming more intelligent, adaptable, and capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans. With AI capabilities, they learn and evolve, constantly improving their performance and expanding their range of functions. This raises exciting questions about the future and the potential for robots to become our companions, helpers, and even friends. How will these intelligent machines change our social dynamics and relationships? But with these advancements come important considerations. As we integrate robots into our lives, we must address the ethical and societal implications of this technology. How will robots reshape our society? Will they create new opportunities or exacerbate existing inequalities? These are questions we must explore as we move forward. What ethical dilemmas will we face? Issues of privacy, security, and the potential for job displacement are just a few of the challenges that lie ahead. We must navigate these complexities with care and foresight. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of robotics and delve into the possibilities and challenges that lie ahead. Together, we will uncover how these incredible machines are poised to transform our future and what it means for humanity. What exactly is a robot? Simply put, a robot is a machine designed to perform tasks automatically. But robotics, the field dedicated to creating robots, is anything but simple. Early robots were simple machines. They followed pre-programmed instructions like those found in factories. But over time, robots have evolved dramatically. Advances in artificial intelligence, or AI, have given robots the ability to learn and adapt. Today's robots can perform complex tasks. They can recognize objects, understand human language, and even make decisions. Self-driving cars, for example, rely heavily on AI to navigate and make split-second judgments. The journey of robotics is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a field brimming with potential. As technology continues to advance, the line between science fiction and reality will continue to blur. Imagine a robot that could understand your emotions. It could offer a comforting word or a listening ear. This is the goal of social robotics. Social robots are specifically designed to interact with humans on a social and emotional level. They can recognize faces, interpret body language, and respond to human emotions with empathy and understanding. While still in its early stages, social robotics holds immense potential. Imagine robots providing companionship to the elderly, assisting individuals with autism, or even offering emotional support in times of stress. The idea of robots as companions might seem strange now, but as technology advances, these machines could become a source of comfort and support in our increasingly complex world. Section 4: Healing Hands, Robotics in Healthcare. The healthcare industry is on the cusp of a robotic revolution. From assisting in complex surgeries to providing personalized care, robots are poised to transform the way we approach health and well-being. Surgical robots, for instance, allow doctors to perform minimally invasive procedures with incredible precision. This leads to faster recovery times, fewer complications, and improved patient outcomes. Beyond the operating room, robots are being used to monitor patients, assist with rehabilitation, and even deliver medication. These robotic helpers free up human healthcare professionals to focus on more complex tasks, improving efficiency and quality of care. As robotics technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in healthcare. Imagine nanobots delivering targeted drug therapies or robotic limbs restoring mobility to those with paralysis. The possibilities are truly astounding. Section 5. Personalized learning robots in the classroom. Imagine a classroom where each student has a personalized robotic tutor. These robotic tutors are not just machines, they are sophisticated tools designed to understand and adapt to each student's unique learning style. This tutor adapts to their learning style, provides instant feedback, and makes education engaging and fun. By using advanced algorithms, these robots can identify the strengths and weaknesses of each student, tailoring their teaching methods accordingly. This is the potential of robots in education. The integration of robots in classrooms represents a significant shift in how we approach teaching and learning. Robots can be programmed with vast libraries of information. This means they can access and deliver content on a wide range of subjects, from mathematics to history, and even the arts. They can deliver lessons in a variety of ways, catering to different learning styles. Whether a student learns best through visual aids, auditory instructions, or hands-on activities, robotic tutors can adapt their teaching methods to suit these preferences. They can also provide students with instant feedback, helping them to identify areas where they need to focus. This immediate response helps students correct mistakes in real time, reinforcing learning and boosting confidence. Furthermore, robots can create immersive learning experiences. By using virtual reality and augmented reality technologies, they can transport students to different times and places, making learning more tangible and exciting. They can simulate historical events, take students on virtual field trips, or even bring literature to life. Imagine reading about ancient Rome and then being virtually transported to the Colosseum, or studying marine biology and exploring the ocean depths without leaving the classroom. This interactive approach to education has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn. It makes education more engaging, interactive, and tailored to individual needs, which can lead to better learning outcomes. While some may worry about robots replacing teachers, the reality is far more collaborative. Robots are designed to assist, not replace, human educators. Robots can handle repetitive tasks and provide personalized support, freeing up human educators to focus on mentorship, creativity, and fostering a love of learning in their students. This partnership between humans and robots can create a more dynamic and effective educational environment, where teachers can dedicate more time to inspiring and guiding their students. Section 6. The changing workforce: humans and robots working side by side. The rise of robotics is undeniably transforming the workforce, but rather than replacing humans entirely, the future points towards collaboration. Robots are already taking over repetitive and dangerous tasks in industries like manufacturing and logistics. This allows human workers to focus on more complex, creative, and rewarding aspects of their jobs. Moreover, the development and maintenance of robots create new job opportunities in fields like robotics engineering, software development, and AI programming. This shift in the job market requires a focus on education and training to equip the workforce with the skills needed to thrive in a technologically advanced society. The key lies in finding the right balance. We must harness the efficiency and precision of robots while also valuing the creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills that make us uniquely human. Section 7. The ethical frontier: navigating the impact of robotics. As robots become more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of their presence. These machines are not just tools, they are becoming companions, assistants, and even decision-makers in various aspects of our daily routines. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. With the rise of automation, many industries are seeing a shift in the workforce dynamics. As robots become more capable, there's a risk of them automating jobs currently performed by humans, potentially leading to unemployment and economic inequality. This shift could affect millions of workers globally, from factory floors to office cubicles. Another ethical consideration is accountability. In a world where robots are making decisions and performing complex tasks, the question of responsibility becomes paramount. If a robot malfunctions and causes harm, who is responsible? Is it the manufacturer who built the robot, the programmer who wrote its code, or the user who operated it? Is it the manufacturer, the programmer, or the user? This ambiguity can lead to significant legal and ethical challenges. Establishing clear guidelines and regulations will be essential as we navigate this uncharted territory. Governments, industries, and communities must collaborate to create a framework that ensures safety and fairness. Furthermore, questions about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for misuse of robotic technology must be addressed proactively. Robots collect and process vast amounts of data, raising concerns about how this information is used and protected. Open dialogue, ethical frameworks, and ongoing public discourse are vital to ensuring that the development and deployment of robots align with our values and benefit society as a whole. By engaging in these conversations, we can shape a future where robotics enhances human life without compromising our ethical standards. The integration of robots into society is not just a technological challenge but a social one. It requires us to rethink our relationship with machines and consider the long-term implications of their presence in our lives. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that the rise of robotics is guided by principles that prioritize human well-being, equity, and justice. Only then can we truly navigate the impact of robotics in a way that benefits all of humanity.